Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Thinking of buying the best convection microwave? Well, do not worry, this video will help you find one. Before that, please support my channel, like, share, subscribe and comment your thoughts below. The list is Samsung oven which costs Rs 9490. It is a suitable convection for baking, grilling, reheating, defrosting and cooking. It has control touch keypad membrane, is sensitive to touch and easy to clean. It has child lock enabled which ensures complete safety for homes with small children. Second is IBF microwave oven which costs Rs 9990. This convection which can be used for baking along with grilling, reheating, defrosting and cooking. Additional special feature with 24 auto cook menu options. It has child lock enabled which ensures complete safety for homes with small children. It has control touchpad which is sensitive to touch and easy to clean. Third in the list is Godrej oven which costs Rs 9500. This convection which can be used for baking, grilling, reheating, defrosting and cooking. It has control touchpad which is sensitive to touch and easy to clean, and it ensures child lock with complete safety for home with small children. Fourth in the list is Panasonic microwave oven which costs Rs 10,420. This microwave oven controls with auto cook menu and glass turntable. This countertop microwave with glass turntable is compact, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to interior capacity. It has control touch keypad which is sensitive to touch and easy to clean. Fifth is LG convection microwave oven which costs Rs 10,350. This convection that can be used for baking, grilling, reheating, auto defrosting, cooking and 5 levels microwave power. It has touch keypad and is sensitive to touch and easy to clean. It has child lock which ensures complete safety for home with small children. Sixth is Onida convection microwave oven which costs Rs 9990. This oven's got 800 watts of power output and it is stainless steel cavity material. Seventh is Haier convection microwave oven which costs Rs 10,550. Convection that can be used for baking along with grilling, reheating, defrosting and cooking. It has control push button that are easy to use with a long life. It has got child lock that ensures complete safety for home with small children. Please find all the products linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment your thoughts below. Thank you so much for watching.